Hurt his head.
Hit him on the nose. Hit him on the head.
Oh, no way. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Ah, shit! Fuck! Oh, motherfucker, man. Look at that.
Yeah, got you.
Yeah, man. Look, check that out. That's going to bleed, eh?
1, 2.
The only reason it cut you is because you pulled it away.
This side's probably worse.
Vicious budgie. Oi, let him bite you. Come on, Bruno. Come on, man. It doesn't hurt that much. It doesn't hurt that much.
He doesn't want to bite me. He just wants to cuddle. He wants to play out.
Dude, he's a malicious motherfucker and he will shred your finger at any opportunity. He will. Look at that. That's official blood. That's blood. Look at him going for me. Oh, give him your other finger.
Get him. Oh, no way, man.
That fucking hurts. Yep.
Oi, cuddle. Oi, cuddle.
Ah, shit!
Pull your finger away.
Fuck that! Ah, shit! Ow! Motherfucker. That fucking hurts.
Not only do you like being crucified, you don't want to be like that.
Oh, I
Where
was
does
just...
he, man?
Fuck. I wasn't started bleeding yet, but fuck, that was better. Look how he, look at him.
Yeah, the first album, you know, with Big Bang.
It's better if you don't actually teach them to like people.
That first album was all big. Yeah, he did. He
Look at him.
First he played the bass, and then he played the guitar, then he played the drums, and then he mixed it all together, and he released the album and said, "This is what
He's a crossbreed with a vulture. He wants blood. Look at him. He wants blood.
Then he got there. Then they brought out.